This reversing camera can be installed and working with your VMS in under half an hour, and check this out. Every time you select reverse, the camera comes on screen automatically. Install it by plugging it into the unit here, connecting it to the included RCA plug with a long lead to reach the back of your vehicle, where it uses another RCA plug to connect to the camera and power leads. All you need to do is find your reverse light, power wire and earth wire. In this case, the reverse wire is red and the earth is green, and then join the VMS camera harness to them. Use a test light or multimeter to confirm you've got the correct wires. I'm soldering and using liquid electrical tape for a bush-proof connection, plus adding tape with corrugated tubing to protect them. Then choose a suitable spot to mount the camera and fix it on with the included screws. Run the wiring and plug it all in. And that's it. Turn on your VMS, and every time you select reverse, the camera will turn on automatically and show up on the screen. This is one of the cheapest reverse cameras on the market, and it works perfectly with your VMS.